guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are on a special mission to go and find some Baskin Sharks here in Ireland. We decided to take a van for a little trip up to Donegal in the hopes of finding some of these sharks. So let's go and see what we get up to.
We have just parked here at 𝗙𝗪𝗡𝗢 Pier, and right behind us, right here, are the boats that we are going to be taking in around an hour, and hopefully we get to see some sharks. They say that you should definitely see dolphins, but hopefully we get to see the Baskin Sharks as well.
So here is the previous boat coming in, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's dolphins jumping all around the boat.
See them?
We've seen on Instagram and Facebook that the Baskin Sharks are in, and supposedly this is one of the best ways to actually see them. So we decided to come up here and we'll take a tour with Sliabh Liag Boat trips. So let's go, hopefully find some Baskin Sharks.
I'm so happy we've already seen dolphins.
And we haven't even got onto the boat. So our boat is in like 15 minutes and we just have to be here early to get on it. And then I think the whole trip is like an hour and 45 minutes, and it takes you around all of Sliabh Liag and you can see everything, and hopefully some Baskin Sharks. Here is where you get on the boat, and over there is where we parked the van. Ready for the boat?
So ready.
Oh, the boat, you could have fell out.
So we're just leaving 𝗙𝗪𝗡𝗢 now, and we're making our way out into the waters to see Sliabh Liag and hopefully some fish. So we've seen a tip of a Baskin shark, and it's somewhere out here. There's there. We haven't seen it fully, but we can see his fin coming out of the water, and at least we get to see something.
And he's so close. Like, he's literally right here.
Anyway, grand spot. The Irish rebels had a rebellion and they asked the French for a wee bit of help. Keep pointing at it, I'll pick it up.
I can't see it.
Can anybody see it?
Oh my god, now it's so windy. I miss my hat. It was like my favourite hat. I also do. So we've just made it to Sliabh Liag.
It's so cool to see Sliabh Liag from like a different perspective.
Yeah.
When you're up here on the cliff, but you're actually down looking up at it.
It looks way bigger, it's more impressive.
The view
I just
up here,
miss my hat.
So we are back from our trip out in the boat. We seen one Baskin shark and he lost our hat. And we seen a couple of dolphins. Just a pity we didn't see more Baskin sharks, but we haven't lost hope yet. We are going to head out towards Mox Head, and there has been a lot of sightings of the Baskin sharks there this last week, so hopefully we can catch them. What do you think of the tour?
I loved it. I loved it so much. Even just being in the boat, it's just like such an experience.
It was very good. And Paddy, the boy that takes you out,
he's brilliant.
He's incredible. Yeah. So we're going to leave the link to the Sliabh Liag boat tours down in the description. And if you do come, make sure you tell them that we sent you.
Yeah, please.
We are at Glenfinnan Beach. But after being on the boat for 2 hours, rocking back and forth with the sea breeze, we are so tired.
We're sleepy.
I could literally fall asleep right now. But we are going to get up and walk down to the beach.
As soon as you hit record.
And it is only after saying, Shane, do you want to close your eyes as if she wants to put the blame on me?
No, really, I'll not close my eyes. I'll... how do you say it? I don't even know.
Annie has decided she's going to take a nap, so I might join her. We'll see you in a few minutes. How was your sleep?
It was great. First sleep of the beach. No.
Okay, that makes perfect sense. You're still sleeping?
First sleep at the beach of the year.
Muy bien.
Never mind the Baskin Sharks. My hat should be right over there.
If you squint hard enough, you can see it. It's just somewhere over there at that wee tower.
Somewhere there.
So we've parked up here at 𝗪𝗛𝗢𝗢. Pretty windy, but this is probably one of our favourite places. We are literally right beside the sea, and fingers crossed that we get the chance to see some Baskin Sharks. We already got to see one, but it'd be nice to see a couple more. So now it's time to go into the van, get some cooking done. Tonight we are having some lasagna and garlic bread. This is the good thing about van life. You can park up wherever you want, have your food, and go to bed. Hombre!
Hi. Trying to see if I can see any sharks.
Well, any luck?
No.
No luck.
Imagine if we woke up tomorrow and my hat was here and the sea was like spitting it out.
Are you always going to be coming back to this part of Ireland looking for this hat? We have our lasagna, garlic bread,
And a view.
and a view that people would pay absolutely millions for, and we have it for free. Now we are taking a little stroll up here to Mox Head. This is probably our favourite place. We come here every time we're in Donegal. Maybe we might see a Baskin Shark. Who knows?
Jane, stop scaring me. You scared me the other day as well. You know I hate it.
This is what I have to put up with on a daily basis.
No, this is
No
what
way,
I have
Andy.
to put up with. After being in the sea, we are so tired. Sometimes I still feel like I'm on a boat. So it's time to turn this van into night mode. Like that, the bed's made and we are absolutely wrecked. So I think we're gonna go to bed pretty soon. And
I'll probably fall asleep before the lights go out. Good morning guys, I don't know if you can hear me. We've woken up in 𝗪𝗛𝗢𝗢 and it is so windy. The van was absolutely rocking last night. We slept like absolute babies because it felt like we were on the boat with Paddy, but now time to have some breakfast. But I don't think we're going to be able to see any sharks this morning. Well, I'm certainly not going to be able to fly the drone. It is so windy. But let's go have some breakfast. Where would you get a view like it?
you wouldn't.
Exactly.
We are leaving 𝗪𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗢 now because it doesn't look like we're gonna see any sharks. So sad, but we tried our best.
We tried our best. The quest
Yeah.
continues, and we might stop along the way in a few other
Yeah.
places.
Just
Hopefully
to see if we
them.
can find them.
So we are in a bit of a predicament. This beach has a barrier and there's nowhere to turn, so it looks like I'm going to have to reverse all the way back. He's guiding us back.
Reversing skill at some point.
So we are making one more attempt to find these Baskin Sharks, and we have come out to 𝗪𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗢 where we were yesterday, where we got the boat with Paddy. I did see on Instagram that there has been a couple spotted around this pier, but it's not looking too good. So another barrier here at 𝗪𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗢 Beach. Oh.
Don't we love a good barrier?
This here was open yesterday and I turned in there today, and now barrier is up, and now I'm going to have to reverse back out onto a main road. Why does Ireland have so many barriers? So there you have it guys, that is today's video. We know it's short and sweet, but we didn't even expect to be making another video. We thought our next one was going to be in Fergus, but we just took this random trip up to Donegal in the hopes of finding a Baskin Shark.
Which we did.
We did see one, but we would have liked to have seen more. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.
In Fergus.
In
Bye.
Fergus.